The first thing I want to do is, like any good online session, is make sure I start the recording. So to do that, I simply click on the 3-dot ellipses here, and you'll see the different options I have. When I click start recording, this will then record everything that is said, all of the screen share, and all of the interactions from a voice, video, and what's being shared on my screen back and forth throughout this class or throughout this lecture. To begin, I'm going to now click start recording. You'll see what happens is it will then pop up with a red recording dot. Ken has started the recording, you are recording, and everyone will receive a notification that recording has begun. When I'm finished with the lecture itself, this is where I can then stop presenting, and from there click end stop recording. What this will then do, it'll mean that once the recording is stopped, no more of the conversation will be recorded. Of course, it gives me a good reminder, and at that point I can invite my students to finish up and start leaving the lecture itself. And then you'll see here, when I'm ready to finish up, I simply click hang up also. Now that the online meeting has concluded, you'll see that the meeting has stopped, and it is now saving the recording to Microsoft Stream.